If PA and PB are the tangents drawn from the point P1, 1 to the circle x square plus y square plus gx plus gy minus 2 is equal to 0, with C as the center, then the area of the quadrilateral PACB is dash. Is TS MSET 2020 question 11th September shift 2. Here is given, let S is equal to 0 be the circle is given. Center of this circle is C. That is, center is minus G by 2, comma minus G by 2. The radius of this circle R is equal to the root of G square by 4 plus G square by 4 plus 2 equal to of G square plus G square, that is 2G square by 4 plus 2 equal to under root of G square by 2 plus 2. This is the radius of the circle, or this is the radius of the circle, and P is the point is given, that is P1, 1. This is A, but touches the circle at A and B. Here PACB is quadrilateral. Now here PA is equal to length of the tangent. Length of the tangent is equal to root S1 is equal to, substituting 1, 1 in the given circle, that is 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1 plus G into 1G plus G into 1G minus, so here 2 plus 1 cancel, that is equal to root over G. This is the length of the tangent from P to given circle. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral PACB is, area of the quadrilateral is equal to R into root S11. Is R value is the root of G square by 2 plus 2 into root S1 value 2G, multiplying these two, 2G into G square by 2, is 2 cancel, that is G cube plus 2 into 2G. So area of that circle is, area of the quadrilateral is under root of G cube plus 4G. The point of intersection of the common tangents of the two circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0 is dash. So first we find the center of the first circle, that is C1. C1 is equal to 4, 3. And the radius of the first circle R1 is equal to under root of 16 plus 9 minus 21, that is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. And the center of the second circle C2 is equal to 0, 1. The radius R2 is equal to under root of 0 plus 1 minus half minus 15, that is plus 15 is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. And we find the distance between the centers C1, C2 under root of 4 minus 0 whole square, that is 16, 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 4, root 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Clearly here C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2. Root 20 is less than 2 plus 4, 6. So clearly the circles intersecting at 2 points are the circles. Common tangents for this common tangent, second common tangent. These are the direct common tangents. Here we find the point of intersection of these, point of intersection of direct common tangent. So this point of intersection divides the centers, the ratio R1 is to R2. So that is, point of intersection is equal to R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2, comma R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. So here first center is x1 y1, second center is x2 y2. Substituting in this, that is R1 2 into x2 0 minus R2 4 into x1 y 2 minus 4 is equal to r1 2 into y2 1 minus r2 4 into y1 3 by r1 minus r, that is 2 minus 4, that is 0 minus 16, that is minus 16 by minus 2, 2 minus 12, that is minus 10 by minus 2, that is equal to 8 comma 5 is the point of intersection of the common tangents to the given circle. The parametric equations of the circle passing through the points 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 4 is x is equal to a plus r cos theta comma y is equal to b plus r sin theta. Then b to the power of a into r to the power of a equal to dash. This is ESMSET 2020, 14th September, shift 2. Here is given points is 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Observe these points. Here x coordinate is repeated 3 comma 3 and y coordinate is repeated, that is 4 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is the, and the given points are the vertex of a right angle triangle, right angle at 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 2. This is 1 comma 4. So these are the vertex of a right angle triangle. Here 3 comma 4 is the right angle at the vertex. Center of that circle is equal to, center of the circle is midpoint of the hypotenuse. Center is equal to midpoint of hypotenuse. So midpoint of hypotenuse is 1 plus 3 by 2 comma 4 plus 2 by 2 equal to 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 is plus 2, 6 by 2 is, here center is 2 comma 3 and the radius of the circle, radius is center to any one of the points, hence between center to any one of the points, 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square, minus 3 whole square 1 plus 3 minus 4 whole square, that is minus 1 whole square is 1, is equal to radius of that circle, r is equal to, so here a comma b is 2 comma 3 and r is 2. Substituting on that, a comma b is equal to 2 comma, radius r is equal to root. Now we find the value of b to the power of a to r power a. b power a is 3 power 2 r, that is 2 power 2, that is 3 square is 9 into root 2 whole square is 2. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. b to the power of a to the power of a is equal to 18. If 2x plus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the chord of the circle, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, then the circle with the chord as diameter passes through the point capital A 3, minus 3 comma 2, B 5 comma minus 2, C minus 5 comma minus 3, D minus 2 comma 1. This is TSMSET 2020, 14th September, shift question. Here is given 2x plus y is equal to 0 is the chord of the circle. That is, circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 3 is equal. Point of intersection of the circle and the line is written as s plus lambda l is equal to 0. That is, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 3 plus lambda into 2x plus y is equal to 0. 2 square plus y square, take 2x common, is lambda minus 1 plus y common, lambda minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. Center of this circle is, center is equal to 1 minus lambda comma minus lambda by 2. This is the center. Here 2x plus y is equal to 0 is given. This is the diameter of the circle. That means passes through the center of this circle. Substituting the center in this line equation. 2 into 1 minus lambda plus 6 minus lambda by 2 is, take LCM, that 4 minus 4 lambda plus 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. From this 5 lambda is equal to 10. Lambda is equal to 2. So substituting lambda is equal to 2 in this first equation. So that is x square plus y square plus 2x into lambda 2 minus 1 plus y into 2 minus 6 plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So substituting the options, first, second, third, fourth option. Now I substitute fourth option minus 2 comma 1, that is 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 8 is means minus 2 comma 1 passes through the circle. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Clearly here fourth option is the correct answer. The radical axis of the circles x square plus y square plus 2 alpha x plus 2 beta y plus c is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus 4y plus c is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of 4 alpha beta minus 8 alpha minus 3 beta plus 10 is equal to 0 dash. This is TSM set 2020, 14th September shift. So radical axis of the given circles, that is radical axis is equal to s minus s dash is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square plus 2 alpha x plus 2 beta y plus c minus x square plus y square plus 3 by 2 into x plus 4y plus c is equal to 0. So x square plus y square cancelled, and c is also cancelled. Take x common, 2 alpha minus 3 by 2 plus take 2y common, that is beta minus 2 equal to 0. So take LCM, that is x into 4 alpha minus 3 plus 4y into beta minus 2 is equal to 0. X into 4 alpha minus 3 plus y into 4 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the radical axis of the given circles. Now this radical axis touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So center of the circle is minus 1 comma minus 1, and radius of the circle is 1. So this line radical axis touches this circle, means r is equal to d. That means r is 1. D means perpendicular distance from center to the radical axis. The x value is minus 1. It is 3 minus 4 alpha plus 8 minus 4 beta by under root of 4 alpha minus 3 whole square plus 4 beta minus 8 whole square. So cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. 4 alpha minus 3 whole square plus 4 beta minus 8 whole square is equal to minus 4 alpha minus 4 beta plus 11 whole square. 4 alpha minus 3 whole square, that is 16 alpha square plus 9 minus 24 alpha plus 16 beta square plus 64 minus 64 beta is equal to, that is 16 alpha square plus 16 beta square plus 11 square is 121 plus 32 alpha beta minus 88 alpha minus 88 beta. Here 16 alpha squares plus 16 beta square are cancelled on both sides. That is equal to 32 alpha beta. So here is minus 88 alpha plus 24 alpha. That is minus 64 alpha minus 88 beta plus 64 beta is minus 24 beta is equal to 9 plus 64, that is 23. 73 minus 121, that is minus 48. Take 8 common on both sides, that is 4 alpha beta minus 8 alpha minus 3 beta equal to minus 6 into 8. So both sides 8 cancelled, is 4 alpha beta minus 8 alpha minus 3 beta is equal to minus. So add 10 on both sides, is 4 alpha beta minus 8 alpha minus 3 beta plus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10 equal to. So here the value 4 alpha beta minus 8 alpha minus 3 beta plus 10, this value is 4. If 0 comma 3 by 4 is the radical center of the circle, S1 x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. S2 x square plus y square plus 2gx minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. And S3 x square plus y square minus 12x plus 2fy plus 3 is equal to 0. If S2 and S3 intersect orthogonally, then g comma f is dash. Is TS MSET 2020, 14th September 61 question. So here radical center is given, that is radical center is equal to 0 comma p by 4. This radical center passes through the radical axis of the given three circuits. Now we find radical axis of S2 and S3 is S2 minus S3 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square is cancelled. Take x common, is 3 plus 12. Take minus y common, 2 plus 2f plus 6 minus 3, that is 3 is equal to 0. This is the radical axis. This radical axis passes through the radical center, 0 comma 3 by 4. Putting in this x 0, y is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 2 plus 2f equal to minus 3. Both sides minus 3 cancelled. So 2 plus 2f is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 1. The value of f is 1. And the circles S2 and S3 intersect orthogonally. Orthogonally means 2 into gz dash plus ff dash equal to c plus c. 2 into g value, that is g, and g dash, that is minus 6 plus f is minus 1, and f dash, f is equal to c plus 3 is equal to 9. Multiplying by 2, that is minus 12g minus 2f equal to 9. Substituting f is equal to 1 equal to minus 12z minus 2 is equal to 9. Minus 12z is equal to 9 plus 2, 11. This z is equal to minus 11 by 12. So therefore g comma f equal to minus 11 by 12 comma 1. If L1 and L2 are two common tangents to two circles. If L1 touches the two circles at capital A 1 comma 1, capital B 0 comma 1, capital A 1 comma 1, capital B 0 comma 1, and L2 touches the two circles at C 3 by 5 comma 4 by 5, D minus 1 by 5 comma 7 by 5, then the equation of the radical axis of the two circles is dash. This is TS EAMCET 2020 11th September shift 2 question. Here is given L1 L2 are two common tangents of two circles. That means here radical axis of two circles, radical axis of two circles bisects the common tangents of the circles. That means that radical axis passes through the midpoint of the given point. So midpoint of AB, that is taken as B. So midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB is 1 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 comma, and Q is taken as midpoint of CD, midpoint CD, that is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5 by 2, 4 by 5 plus 11 by 5, 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5, 1 by 5 by 2, that is equal to 2 cancelled, that is 1 by 5 comma 11 by 10. And this radical axis passes through these 2 points P and Q. So that is equation of radical axis. Equation of radical axis equal to y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. That is y minus 1 equal to slope, that is 11 by 10 minus 1 by 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. So that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 10 by 10, that is 1 by 10 by, so 2 minus 5 by 10, that is minus 3 by 10 into x minus 1 by 2. 10 cancelled, take cross multiplication, minus 3y plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1 by 2. Again take cross multiplication, minus 6y plus 6 is equal to x minus 1. 2x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to the equation of radical axis. If x square plus y square minus a square plus lambda into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0 is the smallest circle through the point of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to a square and x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where 0 less than p less than a, then lambda is equal to dash. Here is first option 1, second one minus 2p, third one minus 3p, fourth. This is TS EAMCET 2020 11th September shift 2. Here is given smallest circle, that is x square plus y square minus a square plus lambda x into cos alpha plus lambda y into sin alpha minus p is equal to. So center of this circle, center is equal to minus lambda by 2 cos alpha minus lambda by 2 sin alpha. So this center passes through the line. The line is given x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Substituting in this, that is minus lambda by 2 into cos square alpha minus lambda by 2 into sin square alpha is equal. So take minus lambda by 2 common. cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to p minus lambda by 2 into that value is 1, that is p minus lambda is equal, therefore the value lambda is equal to minus 2. So here second option is correct answer. If the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0 touch each other external, then the point of contact of two circles is dash. This is TSM set 2020 11th September shift 1 question. First we find the center of the first circle C1, that is 1 comma 1, and radius R1 is equal to 1 square 1 plus 1 minus equal to under root of 2 minus k, and the center of the second circle C2 is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3, and R2 is equal to the root of 4 plus 9 minus 4 cancel, root 9 is 3. So given circles touch each other externally, touch each other externally. That means C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, that is C1 C2 is under root of 1 plus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 3 whole square, that is equal to R1 under root of 2 minus k plus 3. So 1 plus 2 square is 3 square is 9 plus 1 plus 3 4 square is 16, root over 9 plus 16 is equal to over 2 minus k plus 3. 9 plus 16 25, that is 5 is equal to the root of 2 minus k plus 3, or 2 is equal to 2 minus pairing under root, pairing on both sides, 4 is equal to 2 minus k, that is k is equal to minus 4 is equal to 2. So the value of k is minus 2. So therefore first radius of the first circle R1 is equal to 2 minus k, that is 2 plus 2, that is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Given two circles touch each other externally, that means point of contact is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2 comma R1 y2 plus R2 y1 R1 plus R, that is R1 is 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus R2 3 into x1 1 by R1 plus R2, that is equal to plus 3 comma R1 y2 3 into minus 3 plus R2 3 into 1 by R1 plus R is 2 plus 3, that is equal to minus 4 plus 3 by 5 comma minus 6 plus 3, that is equal to minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 5 comma minus 3 by 5. This is the of contact of given circle. If a circle of radius r touches the positive coordinate axis and also the circle x square plus y square minus 12x minus 10y plus 52 is equal to 0 externally, then the distance between the centers of the two circles is dash. First option 7, second one 5, third one 6, 8. This is TSM set 2020 11th September shift 1 question. So here circle of radius r touching positive coordinate axis, that means equation of the circle is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square. So center of this circle, first one is C1 r comma r, radius r1 is equal to r, and given second circle is x square plus y square minus 12x minus 10y plus 52 is equal. So center of the circle C2 is 6 comma 5, and radius R2 is equal to the root of 36 plus 25 plus 52. 36 plus 20. C1 minus 52. Root 9 is equal to 3. Given these two circles touch each other internally, C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is the root of R minus 6 square plus R minus 5 whole square equal to R1 R R2. Squaring on both sides, that is R square minus 12R plus 36 plus R square minus 10R plus 25 equal to R plus 3 whole square, that is R square plus 6R plus 9. Both sides R square cancel. Is R square minus 12R minus 10R minus 22R minus 6 minus 28R. 36 plus 25, that is 61 minus 9, 52 plus equal to 0. So factors of these two is R minus 2 to R minus 26 equal to 0. Radius is R is equal to 2 R 26. So the possible, so center C1 is 2 comma 2 R C2 26 comma 26. So second center C2 is given, that is comma 5. So distance between these two centers C1 C2 is equal to the root of 6 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is 4 square 16. 5 minus 2 3 square is 9. Root 16 plus 9 root 25, that is equal to 5. Their second option B is correct answer. If the poles of the line x minus y is equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2 gix plus ci square is equal to 0, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 or alpha I comma beta I, then the value of I is equal to 1, 2, 3 sigma alpha I plus beta I by gi is equal to dash. This is TSM set 2020, 11th September shift. Here is given circle equation, that is x square plus y square minus 2 gix plus ci square is equal to 0. So the polar of alpha I comma beta I is, polar equation is S1 is equal to x alpha I plus y beta I minus gi into x plus alpha I plus I square is equal, take x common, that is alpha I minus gi plus y beta I minus ci alpha I plus ci square is equal. So given polar equation is x minus y is equal to 0. So compare these two equations, that is alpha I minus gi by 1 is equal to beta I by minus 1 is equal to ci square minus gi alpha I by 0. From first two equations, that is alpha I minus gi is equal to minus beta I. So alpha I plus beta I equal to j. So given value is, now we find the value of sigma I is equal to 1, 2, 3 alpha I plus beta I by gi is equal to sigma I is equal to 1, 2, 3 alpha I plus beta I, that value is gi by gi cancel, equal to sigma I is equal to 1, 2, 3 1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3 alpha I plus beta I by gi. If a circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y is equal to 28, cut off chord of length lambda units on the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. Then the value of lambda is dash. This is TSMC 2020, 9th September Shift 1 question. So here is given circle, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 28 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 28 is equal. Center of this circle is 3 comma minus 1 and the radius is of g square 9 plus f square 1 plus 28 equal to root 38. And a given line, given chord 2x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. Now we find d. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the given line, that is 2 into 3 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 18 by the root of 2 square 4 plus 5 square, that is 25, plus that is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 18 by root 29. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 18 28, 29, 29 by root 29, that is equal to 20. Now given chord length is given, that is chord length is equal to lambda. Lambda is equal to 2 into root over r square minus b square. This is the formula for length of the chord. Therefore lambda is equal to 2 into root over r square is 38 minus 29 equal to 2 into root over root 9, 38 minus 29, and that is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Lambda is equal to 6. Consider the circles S1 x square plus y square plus 2x plus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0, comma S2 x square plus y square minus 4x plus 10y plus 19 is equal to 0. If the polars of the center of the circle with respect to another circle are L1 and L2, then the lines L1 and L2 are dash. TSMC 2020, 9th September Shift 1 question. Here is given first circle center of the first circle is C1, that minus 1 comma minus 4, and the center of the second circle C2 is 2 comma minus. Polar of C1 with respect to second circle S2 is, you know that the formula S1 is equal to 0. This is the polar equation is equal to 0. That is x into minus 1 plus y into minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 1 plus 5 into y minus 4 plus 19 is equal to 0. That is minus x minus 4y minus 2x plus 5y minus 20 plus 19 equal to 0. There is minus x minus 2x, that is minus 3x minus 4y plus 5y plus y 2 minus 20 minus 18 plus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Take minus common, 3x plus y, 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the line L1 is equal to 0, first line. And the polar of C2, polar of C2 with respect to first circle S1 equal to polar equation, we know that S1 is equal to 0. X into 2 plus y into minus 5 plus x plus 2 plus 4 into y minus 5 minus 23 is equal. This is 2x minus 5y plus x plus 2 plus 4y minus 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. This is 2x plus x, that is x minus 5y plus minus y, 2 plus 2 minus 20 minus 20 minus 41 equal to, this is the line L2 is equal to 0. So observe these two lines are L1 is equal to 0 comma L2 is equal to 0. Lines are parallel lines, parallel. Now we find the distance between these two. Distance between parallel lines is modulus of c1 minus c root of a square plus b, that is c1 is, that is 1, c1 is minus 1 minus of minus plus 41 by under of a square, b square plus 1 square equal to 40 by 10, that is equal to 4 into 10 by 10. Here root 10 times cancel, that is equal to 4 root 10. Distance between the two parallel lines is 4 root 10. If the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus k is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y plus 11 is equal to 0 is pi by 3, then the value of k is dash. This is PSM set 2020 9th September shift 1 question. So here is given angle between the circles is given, that is pi by 3, theta is equal to pi by 3, and the center of the first circle C1 is 2 comma 3. The radius of this circle R1 is equal to 4 plus 9 minus k equal to root over 13 minus k, and the center of the second circle C2 is minus 4 comma, and the radius R2 is equal to square root of 16 plus 4 minus 11, that is 15 plus 4 20, 20 minus 11 equal to root 9 equal to, you know that angle between the circles is cos theta, then cos theta is equal to b square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2. So cos theta, that is cos pi by 3 is equal to d square, distance between the center, that is d is equal to c1 c2 is equal to under root of 2 plus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, that is 2 plus 4 is 6 square, 36 plus 1 of 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. So d square is 37 minus r1 square, that is 13 minus k minus r2 square, that is 9 by 2 into r1 13 minus k under R2 is 3. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 37 minus 13 plus k minus 9 by 2 into 3 root 13 minus k, here 2 cancelled, take cross multiplying and squaring on both sides, that is 9 into 13 minus k is equal to, here 13 minus 37 minus 13, 24 minus 9, that is 15. This value is k plus 15 whole square. So 9 into 13, that is 117 minus 9k is equal to k plus 15 whole square, k square plus 30k plus 225, that is k square plus 39k plus 25 minus 108 is equal to, so factors of 108 is 36 into 3, that is this is k plus 3 into k plus 36 is equal to 0, the values of possible values of case are, that is minus 3 comma minus 36. If the angle between the pair of tangents drawn to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 from 6 comma minus 5 is theta, then tan theta is equal to dash. ESM set 2020 9th September shift to 2 question. So first we find the center of the circle. Center is 1 comma minus 2 and the radius of that circle r is equal to, we know that g square plus f square minus c, that is 1 plus 4 minus, that is equal to root 2. Now we find S11. S11 means, so point the substitute the point 6 comma minus 5 in the given circle. 6 square plus minus 5 whole square minus 2 into x6 plus 4 into minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 36, 25 minus 2 minus 20 plus 3. So that is equal to 36 plus 25, 61, 61 plus 3 is 4, 34 minus 32, 32. So that the formula tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root S11. If theta is the angle between the circle, then tan theta by r by root S11. Here r value is root 2 by root S11, that is root 32. So here 2 16 times cancel, equal to 1 by root 60, equal to 1 by 4. So therefore tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by. Now we find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. It is equal to 2 into tan theta by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2, that is 1 by 16, equal to 2 by 4 into 16 by 16 minus 1, that is 15. So 2 times cancel and 2 8 times cancel. Therefore tan theta is equal to 8 by 15. So the value of tan theta is 8 by 15. The circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2 into 3 plus root 7 into y plus 8 plus 6 root 7 is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus k square is equal to 0, where k belongs to z, have exactly two common tangents, then the number of possible values of k is dash. This TSM set 2020 10th September shift 1 question. First we find center of the first circle C1, that is C1 is 1 comma 3 plus root 7, and center of the second circle C2 4 comma 3. The radius of the first circle R1 is equal to under root of 1 square is 1 plus 3 plus root 7 whole square minus 8 minus 6 root 7. So that is equal to the root of 1 plus 3 plus root 7 whole square, 9 plus 7 plus 6 root 7 minus 8 minus 6 root 7. Here 6 root 7 cancel, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 minus 8 is root 9, root 9 is equal to 3. The radius of the first circle is 3 and the radius of the second circle R2 is equal to of 16 plus 9 minus k square equal to under of 25 minus k square. So here is given these two circles have two common tangents, C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Find the distance between C1 C2 equal to under root of 4 minus 1, c square is 9, 3 minus 3 root 7, 3 plus root 7, 3 cancel, 9 plus 7 equal to root 16 is equal to, that is 4, which is less than R1 3 plus the root of 25 minus 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 less than the root of 25 minus k square, squaring on both sides, that is 1 less than 25 minus k square, k square less than 25 minus 1, 24. K square less than 24 means k belongs to z, k is equal to 0, satisfies this relation, and plus or minus 1 and or minus 2 or minus 3 and plus or, and 5 is not satisfied, that is 25 less than 24, that is not correct. So number of possible values is number of possible values, full values of k is 9 values. The equation of the circle passing through the point of intersection of the two orthogonal circles x square plus y square plus kx minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, comma 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0, and passing through the point minus 1 comma minus 1 is dash. This is TSMSET 2020 10th September shift 1 question. So now we find the, here is given first circle, that is x square plus y square plus kx minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the center of this circle C1 is minus k by 2 comma 2, and second circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x plus 23y minus 15 is equal to 0. Dividing by 3, that is x square plus y square minus 14 by 3 into x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 15 by 3, that is 5 is equal to 0. So center of this circle C2 is, so 7 by 3 comma minus 23 by 6. So given these two circles are orthogonal. Orthogonal means 2 into gz dash plus ff dash equal to c plus c dash, 2 into g value, that is k by 2 into g dash minus 7 by 3 plus f value, that is minus 2, and f dash 23 by 6 is equal to c minus 1 minus 5 equal to minus 6, is 2 into minus 7k by 6 minus 46 by 6 equal to minus 6. 2 3 times cancel is equal to minus 3, minus 7k minus 46 equal to minus 18. So minus 7k is equal to 46 minus 18. 46 minus 18 is 28. Therefore k is equal to minus 4. So k value is 4. For the equation of the first circle, square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the second circle is x square plus minus 14 by 3 x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 5 is equal to. The point of intersection of these two circles is written as s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. Is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 plus lambda into x square plus y square minus 14 by 3 into x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. This circle passes through the minus 1 comma minus 1. Substituting these values, minus 1 whole square 1, 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 plus 14 by 3 minus 23 by 3 minus 5 is equal to, here 1 cancel, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8 plus 1 9 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 2 2 minus 5 is minus 3 plus 14 minus 23 that is minus 9 by 3 is minus 3 is equal to, from this 6 lambda is equal to 9, lambda is equal to by 2. Substituting lambda is equal to 3 by 2 in this equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 plus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 14 by 3 into x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 5 is equal to. So take LCM, that is 2 is 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 2 plus 3 into x square, that is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x plus 23y minus 15 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 3x square is 5x square plus 5y square minus 8x minus 4 is minus 22x minus 8y plus 23y plus 15y minus 2 minus 15 minus 17 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. If the circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 13 minus a square is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0 intersecting in two distinct points, then A is two circles intersecting in two distinct points means modulus of r1 minus r2 which is less than c1 c2 less than modulus of r1 plus r2. The condition for two circles intersecting at two distinct points. So this problem is TSM set 2020 11th September shift 1 question. First to find the center of the first circle C1. That C1 is 2 comma minus 3 and R1 is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 minus 13 plus a square. So 13 cancel equal to root a square is equal to modulus of a. And the center of the second circle C2 is 5 comma 1 and R2 is equal to the root of 25 plus 1 minus 17. So 25 plus 1 26 minus 19, that is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. So and find the distance between the centers C1 C2 is equal to the root of 5 minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 3 whole square, that is 5 minus 2 whole square is 3 square is 9 plus 1 plus 3 4 square is 16. So under root of 9 plus 16 that is root 25, that is equal to 5. Substituting these values in this condition, that is modulus of r1 mod a minus r2 that is 3 which is less than c1 c2 5 which is less than r1 plus r2 that is mod a plus 3. From this modulus of a minus 3 less than 5, that is mod a less than 8, that means a belongs to minus 8 comma 8 and 5 less than mod a plus 3. From this 2 less than mod a, that is mod a greater than 2, that means minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. This is the first condition and this is the second condition. From these two conditions, a belongs to minus 8 to minus 2 union 2 to 8. The possible values of a is a belongs to minus 8 to minus 2 union 2 to 8.